Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just put some like lotion on my face, so don't mind that. Also, look at this sunlight. Perfect, but I low-key can't really see and I feel like it makes me look even more shiny, so I'm just gonna go back over here. So anyways, today we have like a lot of things to do, but I'm not gonna be able to get them all done because the day is basically over with. It's 5 o'clock and like I go to bed early. Anyways, I have to take some pictures outside for make content, basically content for, you know, crochet items I sell. So I am going to do that. I have 2 orders to pack tonight so that they can be shipped off tomorrow. And then what else? Oh, I have 3 patterns that I'm working on. I know I won't be able to finish them all, but 3 different patterns that I'm working on that I would be very excited to share with you all. Yeah, just a lot of stuff to do. So it's kind of like a crochet vlog, or no, crochet business vlog. There we go. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all one of the bags. This person chose beige and like a dark brown, so this is kind of like a custom order in a way, but it's super cute. And yeah, also let me know if I should do like a tutorial for this bag. And well, I plan on writing a pattern for it very soon, so that will be out. Not gonna say when because I have a lot of things going on. And then we have this bag. I already posted like how I pack orders and stuff like that, but this bag is so beautiful. My most sold bag. Got the straps. It is so cute. Okay, and then these are the other ones. These are the things I'm getting content of, because you know this one is done, so I'm gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna head outside. Okay, it's really bright outside. My forehead extra shiny. I found my first spot. Yeah, perfect sunlight. Everywhere else, the trees are like covering it up, so. Okay, lo and behold, look how cute. Yes, that's gonna be a good picture. Okay, y'all, this is the second setup. We got all the mini foam bags right here, and they look cute. Like, not gonna lie, they look real cute right here. Also, I can't really like video me taking pictures and videos of it because I'm videoing and taking pictures all on one phone, so I can't, if that makes sense. Anyways, but I'll insert some pictures of, you know, how the pics look somewhere. Also, if y'all want any like tips on like how I take pictures of my crochet items and all that other stuff and good detail. Okay, but like, isn't this so cute? Like, you can't tell me this ain't cute right here. Matching and everything. Okay, also, if you haven't already, check out my Etsy shop. It will be linked down below. Okay, so this is the setup. We're gonna be packing orders now. I probably won't film me packing it just so I can like I'm gonna make content out of me packing. That's what I'm trying to say here. Anyways, I have this bag, all the supplies that I'm gonna need to pack it in. I'm doing it on my bed because my desk is messy. So yeah, I'm gonna get into that and meet y'all at the end. Also, I have a like how I pack my Etsy orders video, so if you want to check that out, go check that out. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I got my 2 orders finished. Here they are. I just need to print the shipping label and slap that bad boy on there, and they're gonna be off tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, hello. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's like the next 2 days or something like that, and I told y'all I go to sleep early, and that's basically what happened. I ended up falling asleep, but today we're gonna be working on the patterns. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so one pattern that I'm trying to do. I haven't even started, but I need to get some measurements for my doggy, and then okay, I'll show you the other two. Hold on. Okay, so I want y'all to try to guess what this stuff is, okay? Because I feel like you won't be able to guess. Okay, this is one of them. Okay, Destiny. She's barking. Sorry about that. She always barks whenever she hears somebody. She's ruining my video. Anyways, and then we have this. I have two. Destiny! Yeah, my dog's name is Destiny, by the way. Anyways, I have this that I'm not gonna say what it is, but you should try to guess. Anyways, I have to undo all of this, which is pretty sad because, like, you know, but that's just part of the process of making a pattern. You're gonna have to unravel, do it, stitch it up, crochet it up. Anyways, yeah, but like I don't want to, like, you know, I'll do this in a second. I think I'm gonna like work on the little item for my doggy. Hopefully that pattern goes well. The idea I have in my head, I feel like it will go well, but you never know. I might have to do it like 3 times. No, 30. I meant 30 or 50. Yeah. Also, my bed's a mess. Did I already say that? Okay, so I got my little doggy's measurements. I've like started writing down some of the pattern. I don't know how this is gonna turn out because this is my first time doing this little pattern, so I might have to restart or, you know, something like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue. Okay, y'all, so I've already restarted this project like 5 different times, erased this pattern that I'm writing down like 20 different times. I'm just kidding, like 5, 6 different times. But yeah, I think we are actually getting somewhere. It was like making too much of an arc at first, but I feel like this is the perfect like little thing. And Destiny has been so good too because I've been measuring it on her as we go like this and making sure my measurements are all right and all this other stuff. So yeah, I hope this time around it actually works, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, I am almost done with this and I think it's going to turn out really cute, but I'll do like a little end result if this does turn out cute. Right now it doesn't look like it's gonna be cute, but it is. So I am right now unraveling this part because I messed up, and there we go. So sad. I don't want to do this. Oh man. All this hard work, very hard work that I'm just undoing. Okay, y'all, final product review. I don't know how I feel about it. Her ears are coming out there. I mean, it is cute. I'm not gonna lie, it is cute. She's shaking for some reason, but yeah. Let me know if I should make this into a pattern. I feel like it is very cute and it could work. I'm also on the ground. Don't judge that. Anyways, that's the end of my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's it.